Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create virtual machine using Bastion service in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here in Azure services, click on virtual machines. Now click on create, then click on virtual machine. Here in resource group, click on drop down menu and choose your resource group. In virtual machine name, give any meaningful name. In region, you can choose any region. I am going with default region. In image, click on drop down menu and choose your image. As I am going with Windows Server 2022. In username, give any username, and in password, provide any password. In public inbound ports, I am going choose none because we do not need RDP service. Then click next. In disk, we do not need to add any additional disk. Click next. Here in networking, in public IP, click on drop down menu and choose none. We also do not need any public IP address. Now click next. In management, we do not need to do anything else. Click next. In advanced, we do not need to add any additional data. Click next. Here in tags, in name, type name, and in value, type any meaningful name. Then click next. As you can see, our validation passed successfully. Now click on create. As you can see, our deployment is in progress. Here it will take a couple of minutes. As you can see, our deployment is completed successfully. Now click on go to resource. Now here click on connect, then click on Bastion. Here first of all we need to set up our Bastion service. Click on deploy Bastion. Here this will add one subnet in our VNet and also create one public IP address. Otherwise you can configure it manually. Here it will take a couple of minutes. As you can see, now our Bastion service is configured successfully. Now here we need to provide our username and password for this virtual machine. Now click on connect. Here you can see now this is opening our virtual machine in new tab. As you can see, now we have connected successfully with our virtual machine using Bastion service. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.